Hi everybody, it's Rowan Smith from the Mortgage Center. I want to talk about some of the mortgage changes which are going to come into effect on March 18th, 2011. Now I haven't done a post on these before because they've been pretty well covered by others, but a number of questions keep coming up which I wanted to address. First and foremost is, what are the changes? Well, there's three of them. There is no more insured lines of credit, which is largely a product that we never sold. I haven't seen it sold in my entire career. Refinances on properties will now be limited to 85% of a property's value, whereas formerly it was 90%. This is scaled back from a year ago when it was actually you could refinance up to 95%, and the bank wants to stop people from using their home equity like a piggy bank so that they can in fact build some equity, and they're limiting the amount that you can take out. Again, it's 85% of the property's value. The third change, and the one that has probably the biggest impact on our market, is the removal of the 35-year amortization, having 30 as a maximum now. So going forward, you'll have to qualify based on 30 years instead of the 35, which means your payments would be just a slight bit, about 7.5% to 8% higher than they would have been formerly. The bank's doing this, or the Bank of Canada and the government is doing this, because they want to encourage people to actually pay down their homes and to not incur so much debt for such a protracted period of time, 35 years. So the 40-year is gone, the 35-year is gone. Some lenders are yet to announce whether they will be continuing to offer 35-year mortgages conventionally, meaning with 20% or more down. But for the most part, most institutions have jumped on board, and they will be offering only a 30-year as a maximum. Now, how soon do you have to get this put into effect? You need a commitment from the lender prior to March 18th. That does not mean that you have to close the deal by March 18th. You simply need an approval. This is particularly important for someone who's got, say, a pre-sale construction that completes in June. If you apply now, get approved now, the mortgage will be available for you still at the 35-year AM. But as of the 18th, the approvals will no longer be issued. As always, give me a call if you have any questions. For the Mortgage Center, I'm Rowan Smith.